Daddy Fell into the Pond by Alfred Noyes. Everyone grumbled, the sky was grey. We had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond, and everyone's face grew merry and bright, and Timothy danced for sheer delight. "Give me the camera, quick, oh quick, he's crawling out of the duckweed, click." Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee, and doubled up shaking silently, and the ducks all quacked as if they were daft, and it sounded as if the old drake laughed. Oh, there wasn't a thing that didn't respond when Daddy fell into the pond. Missing by Julie Andrews. I've lost my sense of humour. It fell into a well that's full of dark self-pity as far as I can tell. I'm glared at by the children, I'm yelled at by the boss, and every little word I say makes everybody cross. I'd run away and not come back if it would do some good, but nobody would notice, so I don't think I should. I miss my sense of humour, and if by chance you see it peeking round a corner, please send it back to me.